Hello lovely friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's hack, I am going to show you all something that has to do with your blush powder or your eyeshadow or your body bronzer powder. Those who usually or often travel or say suppose even if you have an accident where your blush powder has fallen down with the case itself and it is broken into tiny pieces and you do not know how to get them together. This hack is going to be quite simple, very easy and short at the same time. So hope it will be useful for you all. So this is my body shimmer powder, and as you can see it is in an awesomely bad state and it's all spread across. I will just show you what you can do. If you have a thin brush, you can just brush off the sides in this way and put the whole bit of the powder in the center. Brush it towards the center as if you would be cleaning dust or something. Just brush it towards the center. Do not bother about what falls off because it is better to save what we have in hand. The remaining powder which is on the side, what you can always do is just dust it onto paper or something, or on tissue paper, and you can use it as a body bronzer. I will attach the link of the homemade body bronzer that I had shown in my previous video. I have got this full pack cleaned, as you can see. Now if you can see, there are pieces which are too big. You can crush them with your finger. If not, you can just leave it as it is. So taking the back end of this brush, I'm just going to dab it over the powder in this way. Now if y'all don't have something like this, y'all can always use a coin and just tap it in this way over the powder, and at the same time it will also crush those big pieces when you're tapping the powder itself. You all can even use your finger. However, when you start using your finger, you'll see that the powder is sticking to it. So for those who are comfortable with it, can carry on. For those who do not like this, you all can use a coin or something else to flatten the powder. Now you can take a perfume or a cologne and just put a few pumps like this, spray them over the powder and leave it aside to dry. That was with the hack. Hope you all have liked it. Hope you all have liked my suggestion. Please note, whenever you all make use of the perfume or cologne in this way to have the powder intact in place, ensure that you all have given time for the powder, leaving it open to dry off so that the smell of the perfume is not fully covered in that eyeshadow powder or your blush powder. So give it time to dry, and do let me know in the comment section if this hack was useful or not. For those who are new visitors to my channel, as always, show your love towards my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. I'll see you next time with another new hack.